them, so I had them already. So we have that. We have lemongrass, holy basil, Thai basil, sawtooth, coriander, regular coriander, eggplant, blue flower.
Where did I put the camera?
Oh, pandan leaf. You see those trees, pandan leaf here?
Yeah. So much fresh stuff. It's pretty amazing. It's so cool. It's like one of the great things.
And you have ingredients.
I know. You can just come on here and pick.
That's it. Done. Let's go.
Alrighty.
But today I'm teaching you another layer. More work a little bit with the oil.
Yep.
I do that like the technique of that because I like the flavor, but it's not oily. Just use a bit of paste.
Yum. I'm making Penang. Can't wait to eat it.
Yeah. I'm doing red curry and adding more chilies.
Try to make it more kick.
More kick, because I love kick. I'm a sucker for punishment.
Okay.
Smush that a little bit. Yeah, holy moly, the flavors.
You have to add sugar. A little bit, like half of a small spoon.
Half a small spoon, okay.
Oh, some salted coriander. You stir them. You'll taste before basil, right? Now we're gonna taste after basil. Is it look beautiful? Look at the color.
And just like the freshness and the everything looks so beautiful.
Right. And you can buy some of the chili. You want more, like, you know, kick hot. More heat, more basil.
No, that's perfect.
That's good. How?
So good. Oh man, that is so good.
This is my spoon. Okay, let's see our Penang.
Okay. You let me know what you think.
But I've been looking
Put the prawn in.
Nope, sorry.
Give them up, but make sure the paste rolling. And then some red chili, throw them in. We don't want to add them the whole thing. Yeah, put them in. We didn't add them early because we want to see some fresh taste. And this pepper, you can eat them raw. And when you serve it, you can take this out. See? Because we have that fine leaf that we prepared.
Ah, yes. Okay.
What about you taste it?
Okay.
It's very like creamy taste and nice. It's from the peanut, that thickness, you know. The peanut makes it stickier too. No more fish sauce, I think.
That is really good.
You like it? Is it salty for you?
A little bit. I like salty, yeah.
You know why it's a bit salty?
Fish sauce?
Because you use a spoon of fish sauce to
Ah,
taste.
that is true. Wow.
You have to clean your spoon before fish sauce and then it was salty.
That is delicious.
You put it here. Yeah.